They unlocked the door, only to find the big bad wolf.
"Oh no, it's the wolf! Run!"
They scattered in all directions, hiding under the bed, in the cupboard, and behind the curtains. But the wolf was quick. One by one, he found and swallowed 6 of them whole. Only the youngest, who hid inside the tall clock, was left. Soon, the wolf, full and sleepy, wandered to a tree and dozed off. When Mother Goat returned, she found the door wide open and her little home in disarray. She called out, but no one answered. Just then, the youngest goat peeked out from the clock.
"Mother, the wolf took my brothers and sisters. He swallowed them whole."
Mother Goat, though heartbroken, was determined. She took a pair of scissors, a needle and a thread, and hurried to where the wolf lay sleeping. With great care, she snipped open his belly, and out tumbled the 6 little goats, alive and well.
"Mother, you saved us!"
Quickly, they filled the wolf's belly with heavy stones and sewed him up tight.